Right, what a complete, yes, ball ache, if you like. Good morning, guys. So, excuse me, apologise, I got hay fever, so if I'm snivelling, coughing's not really hay fever. Anyway, if I'm snivelling and stuff and my nose sounds blocked, I've got hay fever. So apparently I'm installing the Hager Consumer unit today, but I say apparently because the guy has already phoned me and said, Chris, you're putting 10 ways in, I've got 6, that'll leave me 4 spare. I'm thinking I want to add some more circuits. He wants to add more circuits. I've been to B&Q and I found a consumer unit. If I buy it, will you fit it? I said, no, there's no way I'm fitting it, mate. I'll come today, we'll have a look. So I'm not sure how this video is going to go, but I've also got to go and install a 16mm earth on the flat job that I could not get into. The earthing's all fine, but I just wanted to upgrade the earth from the main earthing bar in this little cupboard that someone's going to let me in this morning, just to the main earth bar where our distribution facility is in that little cupboard. So I want to run a 16mm earth to there, and then I've also got to look at that's not this morning. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. I don't know how it's going to pan out, but we'll see, eh? And also, if you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, go follow me. I went into Homebase, not the best shop in the world for tools, but look, I picked all this up. These were $24.99 RRP, and I picked those up for a £5. So all this came to less than £25, which I was pretty happy with actually. So just picked up a set of these. Membrane cable entry kit. I fit these on all my consumer units now rather than just fitting standard grommets, which I guess is okay. These are the fire retardant ones. Just a little lip there which you knock it in. Yeah, these are really good. I think these were a £5 for 10 20mm ones. That's really all I use on a little board like this, 20mm knockout. So right, a few stops later, we've got a new fan isolator, pull cord switch, because the walls are solid. He doesn't want me chasing walls out. This is another job, by the way. This isn't today. I just thought I'd show you. Inline fan kit, TLC. A new hoover bag, some 16mm green and yellow, which was from, what's that wholesaler called? I can't remember. Cut the bonding clamps and an earthing block. So, Grant and Stone, that was it. Grant and Stone. Right, we're all fueled up and ready to go, and it's still only 20 to 8. Sweet. So I'm just adding my new earth, that one there, which I'll label at flat 4. It's what it is in this block, to this earth bar which comes off of there. So it's TNS, earth off the lead sheath, and then you find like that. It's nice, isn't it? How people leave stuff. Look, superb. Lovely jubbly. Right, so I'm at the job. This is going to be interesting. He's here working, so I'll take pictures. I won't be able to film a lot, but I'll do a lot of pictures, and then I'll put some sort of voiceover. But yeah, good luck. Right, what a complete, yes, ball ache, if you like. So remember you guys said this job's going to be a pain in your ass, Chris, don't do it. I wish I kind of didn't do it now, but the board's done, it's all tested. Haven't done the water bomb because I've got to shoot off and do 2 emergency jobs. Some lights have tripped and something else. Yeah, sorry, that's the client again. He's actually borrowing my chasing machine. Am I too bloody nice or what? So he's got tons of chasing to do. I've told him I'm not chasing the war's out. He's going to do it. I'm not being arrogant. I've just got no time to do it for him. He said, look, I don't mind doing the chasing. So we've got to add sockets in. You now want smoke alarms, spurs for burglar alarm. Oh, it's loads to do. So now I'm going to have to find 2 days next week to try and factor this in and do this for him. So, yeah. Anyway, Hager, lovely. Lovely board to work in. Loads of room above. Yeah, I'll probably use them now from now on. They're a good price. Also here, he wants to keep the economy 7 if you like, so now I've got to get another Hager board, freeway, because it does the immersion heat. He wants to keep the off peak of the immersion heater. So anyway, let's crack on. We'll go to the other job. I'll take you with me. Let's go. Right, another job done. Bless him. This is a typical case of going to home base at the weekend, and your wife says, should we get these lights? He says, yeah, darling, we'll get them. He's quite old. He's had some ill health, but, you know, he's had a go. And the typical lighting fault, if you're a Sparky, you know what it is. Give me a comment down below. You know exactly what he's done. Yeah, the red sleeving fell off, put it that way. Yeah, I put 2 lights up for him. I've been here 15 minutes, so on to the next one. Right, so how annoying. Last job, I just rang the guy and said, look, I'm about 10 minutes away, mate. I'm just coming. And the lady said, oh, he's not in today. He's like a maintenance guy at a big plush, it's like a big plush old people's home. He's been on at me to replace some emergency lights for him. Yeah, he's not even there, so that'll have to be another day, but that's bloody annoying, isn't it? Right, so as this job is, as this video, sorry, is very short, what I'll do is I'll span this over the next day. What am I doing tomorrow? I think I'm installing this fan kit tomorrow. So that's quite a little interesting job. I'll add that. I'll add that into the video just so I can get over the 10 minutes and I can get a bit more ad revenue in the video.
Day 2.
Right, so here we go. Day 2. People in Tool Station talking about prowls and stuff. Bloody hell, just get on with it. Just picked up some of these little boxes. I've not used these ones before. But I've got some outside lighting to do tomorrow, black conduit, so got those to go with it. IP65, I believe. Yeah, so let's head over. I've just got to get a screw fix, and then we'll go to the job and I'll walk you around it.
Right, bit awkward in this loft, but that's where I just cut that vent through. It's cable tied on. Try and keep the insulation nicely compact. I've put this board in. I'm going to screw this down, then put the fan on it. Screw this fan to it. Right, so this is where I'm at. This is the light is just down here. Comes out, I've clipped it, free-aired it because it's better than it being buried in this sea of insulation. So he comes along down here, drops down there to my switch. I then add another 3-core in from the new isolation switch to the fan. I'm just taking this cover off so we can screw the base down to this new board that I've put in. We'll wire him up and then we'll drill the hole out the wall. Just making a note of your airflow so you're sucking air that way. Just put your little clamps back on. They give you a little tool to adjust the time delay, so don't use a screwdriver, use the little plastic tool. And then your wiring diagrams, you've got max, min, max, min. Yeah, and that comes with that little label. And that's it. Not very impressive, but that's all it needs. Okay, there's my cable going to my fan now, clipped through the gripper. Just going to make this off. Make sure you put your relevant colours on sleeving. Right, so what I've gone for, because they got a lot of condensation in this bathroom, I've gone for the max setting. So neutral being the grey flagged up blue, the live being the brown, and then the switch line, which will come from the light when you pull the pull cord on. That's my black, flagged up as a brown as well. And then this, I'll just, because there's no connection in here, I'll put a Wago in there with some sleeving on. Well, I reckon I've adjusted the timer to about 5 minutes. What I'll do, I'll leave this in there, look, for the next bloke. If he comes along, he'll see that and go, oh, good old boy. Right, 1 second. So I've just rang the manufacturer. I just wanted to get clarity on this 3 amp fusing. He said 100% you've got to fuse the circuit. Look how hot it is. That's loft work for you. Yeah, I know I'm clean. I'm not clean shaven. I had my mask on and yeah, blah, blah, blah. I know, save all the comments. So basically I've rang the manufacturer. He said you can fit an inline fuse. So if you're coming off the light fitting, the switch line and the permanent line needed inline fuses. So you can get those little inline fuses where you can put a 3 amp fuse. Unfortunately, I haven't got them today, but what I will be doing is ordering a load of those. They're only cheap, and then label up the fan or the switch, 3 amp fuse, location, so if it's going to be in the loft or whatever. So what I'm going to do is get 2 single boxes, 2 unswitched spurs, literally just going to fuse the 2 cores down in the loft, and I'll mark up the switch. You'll see what I'll do, but yeah, that's how I'm going to do it today. But hey ho, live and learn, eh? Got to do it right, boys. Right, there we go. 3 amp fuses, 2 unswitched spurs, which will go in the loft, just to fuse the 2 cores down. Right, we now got 2 unswitched spurs. One is switching the permanent live, and one is switching fusing down the permanent live, and one is fusing down the switch line. So I'll label those up and put a label on the switch downstairs. Right, if you ever tell me that you enjoy doing this, then you're lying. And I'm not going to lie, I only put 2 screws in these because I don't like it. With the fan on, blowing out, look. Oof. And then when that stops, that will shut and stop the draft going back in. There we go, she's on. All tested and done. A little bit of magic foam just to finish it off. Lovely jubbly. Right, sorry, another job done. I've got to go back there actually and fit some patio doors with a chippy that I used on that other job, the big office that I did. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that. He's coming to fit some doors with me, hopefully. So that one's done. I've just had a call from the lady where I did a humidistat fan in her bathroom in a rented flat. I don't know if you see the video, a few videos back. I've got to go there now. She's got some problems, not with the fan, but other bits. So we're going to grab the key. She's at a letting agent, and then we're going to have a quick look. I remember this one. So, massive job. Oven light, extractor, fan, plus light, ceiling, whatever that means. It was this one, remember I put this fan in? Lovely. Oven, here we go. Oven light. Not working. Easy. Lamp / bulb is gone. And then apparently this isn't working. That's lovely, that is. Where does he go? Where does he go? Oh, marvellous. What do you reckon? Fuse? Should we have a look at that? And you think, oh, that could be a fuse or whatever. I just noticed that the fridge is unplugged. Come here, there's a socket. Where does the extension lead go? It does the bloody fridge. It does the overhead unit as well. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right, these lamps are gone. I have to get some more lamps for that one as well, won't I? Wonder why that one weren't working, look. Right, let's go off and get some bits then.
2,000 years later.
Right, turn as if by magic. Oven lamp, 2 LEDs, SESs. Let's see what we got. One happy camper, dirty oven.
And a second happy camper. Look at that. Amazing. Don't know how I'll do it for the money, boys. And girls, I should say. And going by some of your prices, commentators, that's going to cost her about £950. Right, that's that one done. She's happy. She's got the keys back. Send her an invoice for £377, whatever it will be. That guy just rang me about yesterday about the emergency lights. He's in today, so I'm going to try that one again. So we're going to go there. I might take a picture. And let's end this bloody day, eh? Right, there we go. That is the day done. That might be quite a nice little contract to get on. He's gonna contact me. They have loads of stuff to do there. It is massive. It's like a 2-year-old retirement home, dementia, bottom floor, and then all residents on the top. Yeah, massive. So thanks for joining me on this one, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Let's see you on the next one. Take care.